Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be painting some wooden frames. I wanted to frame some art pieces, and for that I had a fun idea. I wanted to paint the frame of the complementary color that would complement the actual artwork. So the first step I did was that I painted all of my frames white because I wanted the actual color to be more vibrant. After the white paint had dried, I then went on with the actual colors on top. I had a lot of fun doing this DIY at home, and I feel like all of the frames look really nice. It actually makes it look more interesting, and the artwork and the frame becomes one piece, and I just cannot wait to put them up. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care.